Hello, I want to present to you today a link where you can download files to test or files to use in your daily life. So if you're looking for different images, videos, audio, different types of files of different sizes, have a look at learningcontainer.com. So you can download sample images, different formats, different sizes. You can download videos, like I said, audio, and you can also download Word documents, Excels. So pretty much everything you would need when you're looking for a file of a different type, of a different size to test something in your application. Have a look at the site. I hope you can use it, and I'll see you in the next one.